Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth insights on various products in the market. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss. Nature's Way Heartburn Free Orange Peel Extract Supplement. If you're looking for the best immediate heartburn relief, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll delve into the features, benefits, and customer reviews of this incredible product. Let's get started. Nature's Way Heartburn Free Orange Peel Extract Supplement is a game-changer for those who suffer from occasional heartburn. Unlike traditional solutions that can have unwanted side effects, this product works with your body, providing lasting relief without shutting down the production of stomach acid. It's clinically studied and proven to be safe for your digestive processes. Now, let's talk about the key benefits of this supplement. Relief from occasional heartburn. Nature's Way Heartburn Free delivers effective relief from occasional heartburn, acid indigestion, and upset stomach. Clinically studied orange peel extract. This unique formulation won't reduce mineral absorption, inhibit protein digestion, or shut down acid production. It's designed to work harmoniously with your body's natural digestive processes. Wondering how to use it? For adults aged 18 and older, take one soft gel every other day for 20 days upon first experiencing symptoms. After that, take one soft gel as needed for occasional relief. It's best to take it half an hour before or 1 hour after meals, with water or your favorite beverage. Remember to swallow it whole. Do not bite or open the soft gel. In conclusion, Nature's Way Heartburn Free Orange Peel Extract Supplement is a natural and effective solution for occasional heartburn. It's a favorite among many customers and provides long-lasting relief without the drawbacks of other remedies. If you're tired of dealing with heartburn, this product might be the answer you've been looking for. If you want to experience the best immediate heartburn relief, give Nature's Way Heartburn Free a try. You can find it on Amazon.com with convenient shipping options. Don't let heartburn hold you back any longer. Try Nature's Way Heartburn Free today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.